Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about increasing your post karma. Let's get started. In the previous lesson, we've talked about karma. Now we're going to talk about a type of karma. When you read posts from subreddits that you have joined and placed your mouse over the Redditor's username who shared or made a comment on a post, you will see a pop-up window showing the Redditor's profile. You may notice different karma points shown on the pop-up window. That is where you can find the number of post karma. So what is a post karma? From the name itself, you can easily identify what post karmas are. This is a type of karma that is collected from the points that you have accumulated from the content or post that you've shared in the community. You will gain a post karma as Redditors like your post. Then the point will be added to your post karma. But remember, an upvote doesn't mean adding the exact 1 point to your total number of karma. You can gain post karma from the contents that you share, which can be plain text, images, videos, or links. To increase your post karma, you need to be active and share content on Reddit so that more people on the subreddit can see your content and upvote it. You need to be active within the community that you want to be a part of so that people will see your post and appreciate your offer to share your content. You may see in this example all the content posted by this Reddit user. You may notice that most of the content is about motivational images. The post that this user shared is related to the subreddit motivation. You can see that more Redditors like this post and upvote it. Join huge subreddits. You can look for subreddits that have thousands or hundreds of thousands members in their community. Since these subreddits have tons of members in their community, there will be more Redditors who can view your post. And these Redditors are more likely to upvote your post, adding up to the total of your post karma. Next, time your post. You can experiment with what works for you. Try to post content taking into account the number of online members inside a community. Then compare which subreddit gets your post with more upvotes. Like in this subreddit, it has over 22,000 members, and at this moment, there are 4,000 online members. While in the subreddit, there are over 90,000 members. It has more members compared to the other subreddit, but only a few are online. Share content that will help Reddit users. This depends on what niche a subreddit belongs to. When the community is all about recipes, you can expect that people will appreciate images of recipes that you can share them. In this example, you can see a shared image, and the user who shared the post placed the recipe with instructions and tips in the comment section. You can see the votes for these recipes here. You may also find text posts for recipes. Even without the recipe photo, you may notice that Redditors are still appreciating the recipe shared by looking at the upvotes. As you observe the community, you may notice that people love images, videos of the recipes that other Redditors share in this community. Next, ask questions. Observe the topics shared inside the community, then start looking at the problems that the people inside the community might have in common or relate to. List possible questions that you can ask these Redditors. Then post these questions one at a time. Ask questions that will help Reddit users, and these Redditors are more likely to upvote your post, increasing your post karma. Now that you know about increasing your post karma, we can now proceed to the next topic, increasing your comment karma. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.